Hello and welcome to another GIS and remote sensing tutorial. Today we will learn how to download Sentinel data from Copernicus data space ecosystem. First, open your browser and search for Copernicus data space ecosystem. Then go to this first link. This website is newly developed by Copernicus. In this website, you can find all Sentinel data from European Space Agency. You can find the data collection from this option. Go to data collection. Now you can download Sentinel 1, Sentinel 2, Sentinel 3 and Sentinel 5P data from these Copernicus data space ecosystem website. First of all, we need to create an account in this website. Go to home, then click on this register button. Now we need to create an account in this website. Just click on register. Then fill out this form. Type your name. Type your email address. Choose a password. Choose your country. I choose Bangladesh. Type of user. Then tick all of these, or you can tick only these. Click on the captcha and click register. Okay, we need to retrieve the password and it must contain at least one special character, one uppercase character and one lowercase character and also numeric digit. So then I am typing new password containing the criteria. Then click register. There is an email in your typed email address, so I am going to my email. In your mailbox, you need to verify your email by clicking this button. Just click here and your mail has been verified and it redirected to the Copernicus data browser. Just close these tabs and wait for few seconds to open this website. So this is our website. Just click OK. In this website we can download Sentinel data. Just zoom to your desired location, or you can find your place by typing the name. For downloading the Sentinel data, you need to go this search option. Now we need to draw a area of interest or region where we want to download the Sentinel-2 data. Just go to this symbol, click on this and draw a rectangle. Just a single click, then draw a rectangle and single click to finish. Now choose your data source. You can download various Sentinel data. Now I am download only Sentinel-2. If you want to download any of Sentinel product, you can follow the same process. Click on Sentinel-2 level 2 data and set the cloud coverage to less than 5%. I set it in 5%. Set a time range. In my case, I am selecting January 2022 to February 28 of 2022. Then click search. Almost 50 results showing for this drawn area of interest. Now we need to select the actual image to download. Just hover the pointer on the map and you find the image highlighted in the base map. So this image fit for my area of interest, so I am downloading this image. If you want to see the metadata, you can click on this I button, that's mean product info, and in these attributes, in the product section, you can find the metadata about the satellite image. The cloud coverage of this image is 0, so we are downloading this data. Just click on this download button and the download has been started to the system. It takes few minutes and it depends on the volume of the image. And in this case, this image almost 1.3 GB, so it takes few minutes to download. Now we are waiting for the download. The download has been completed. and it saved in the default directory. Now go to download directory. Open the download directory. Now let me unzip this zip file. Go to the folder, then granule, then image data. In this you can find each resolution separated in different folder. In this folder you can find the 10 meter resolution, then the 20 meter resolution, and also the 60 meter resolution. Now let me show you in the ArcGIS. Open ArcGIS, add data, then go to the download folder, granule, image data. I am adding the 10 meter resolution data first. The band 2, band 3, band 4 and band 8 are in 10 meter resolution. Just select and click add. All data successfully imported. You can zoom. All data very much clear. So from this website we can download the Sentinel data, and also I will try to make a video about the visualization of Sentinel-2 data. Thanks for watching.